and you don't drain the pool properly, pool can literally pop out of the ground.
Oh, wow.
And guess who doesn't cover that? Your insurance company is not covering it for your house.
Oh my gosh.
So if you don't have the proper pool popping insurance, which not everybody does,
Mhm. I didn't know
and
that was a thing. That's
so
crazy.
it's a big thing,
Wow.
especially when it gets real rainy outside. The water in the ground, rises up. You empty the pool. It's like putting the boat in the water. It just pops right out of the ground.
Yeah, I did actually see that. That makes me think when there was the hurricane, I know it was recently on the West Coast, and it was basically this they lived on the water and their pool had popped out of the ground basically, and they ended up doing like a whole demo to their house because it got absolutely destroyed, but maybe that's what you're talking I
Yeah,
thought, and I was
that's exactly.
I didn't know that could happen just from draining the pool. That's insane.
People ask me all the time. They're like, just drain the pool and acid wash the pool. It can be more than a couple $100. And it's like, this is a job that you have to hook up a pump to pump the groundwater out first.
Mhm.
So first of all is find that pipe,
Yeah.
pull the plug out of the bottom of the pool so the water in the ground can come into the pool.
Yeah.